Welcome to Edmund and Squiggy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to the river. Before we start this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video. And now on to the video. Do you want to say anything, Edmund?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I'm swimming.
Where are we going?
To the river.
We never went to a river before.
Yeah.
It's our first time. Last time we went to the beach before in Jamaica, but not at the river. So walking. Yeah. You guys walking too fast? It's a hot day and it's a long journey to get by the river. Hoping there will be a cab we can take soon.
Oh, right there.
Snail? Where's the snail?
Will that be it?
It's just a shell.
What's up? Sissy! No! No, Lisa!
What's that building up there? Squiggy, what building is that? The building on the hill.
Oh, that building on the hill is church.
There is a lot of trees. The sky is blue, but also there's some clouds. There's a possibility of a thunderstorm soon. Look how winding the road is. There's a corner. And you go around that corner. I ended up on this road at the bottom. Another deep corner. And then go all the way down. Lots of akis in this tree. This is Jamaica's national, part of Jamaica's national dish. Aki and sawfish. Sawfish is codfish, salted codfish. And it's dried. It's nice. Sauteed up with some aki. It's walnut tree. It used to make castor oil. Castor oil is good for the hair and also for the skin and other ailments. Yeah. They don't say aki get ripe. Aki opens. When it's open up and you see those blackheads showing, those are called aki.